In this video, I'll walk you through how to add and embed videos in Confluence step by step. Open your Confluence page in edit mode and position your cursor in the editor where you want the video to appear. Type a / to bring up the insert menu. A quick insert panel appears showing various content types you can add to your page. Type /med to filter the menu down to image, video, or file. The list narrows to show just the media insertion option. Click Image, Video, or File, and a File Upload dialog appears with several ways to add media to your page. Click the Link tab at the top of the dialog to switch from uploading to embedding from a URL. Paste your video URL into the link field. In this example, I'm using a YouTube link, and a preview of the video appears below showing the thumbnail and title. This works with most major video platforms including YouTube, Vimeo, and Loom. Click the Insert button at the bottom, and the video player embeds directly into your page. The embedded player is interactive, so anyone viewing the page can watch the video without leaving Confluence. You can embed videos from YouTube, Vimeo, and most other major video platforms. Just paste the full watch page URL. If the video doesn't preview immediately, check the link is the full URL, including the watch parameter, not a shortened share link. Once embedded, the video plays inline without leaving Confluence, so viewers don't need to open a separate tab. You can resize the player by clicking it and dragging the corner handles. And that's how to add and embed videos in Confluence. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.